So it doesn't matter where you're from, the language you see online, on the internet, is quite different from the English that you use or the language that you use in everyday life. So here I am kind of giving you some insight into the internet world. First, let's get some basics out of the way, and then we can talk about some juicy details. Number one, follow somebody, 就是关注某人. We can say follow somebody on blah 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 platform. 比如说, oh, follow me on Instagram, or follow me on Twitter, or follow me on Snapchat. However, you have to be careful when you're talking about YouTube. They use subscribe. And you have to add to because subscribe is an intransitive verb. So subscribe to my channel, subscribe to me, or you can say I subscribed or I subbed for short. When you're asking if people use a particular platform, you can ask them, hey, are you on blah, blah, blah? As in, hey, are you on Instagram or do you use Instagram? We never say we play Instagram. We can ask, what's your Instagram handle? Or what's your Instagram account? What's your username on Instagram? 下一个，当我们说我们要标签某人的时候，我们可以说 I'll tag you or I'll tag everybody. 那我们在讲到这个井字号的标签的时候，这个标签叫做 hashtag。包括我们在讲这个井字号的时候，也不是说 pound， 而是说 hashtag。比如说 hashtag I woke up like this or hashtag me too。这个时候都要用 hashtag， 就是不是用它这个标准的井字号的发音。下一个就是 DM 就是 Instagram 上的这个私人消息哈， That is short for direct message. So a lot of people would say slide into that DM. It's an euphemism for like hitting people up on Instagram, especially like when you're trying to make something happen. Let's talk about some words or phrases that these YouTubers, bloggers will say to you. On Twitter, they'll ask you to forward or comment or like. On YouTube, they'll ask you to like, share, comment, or sometimes smash that like button and obviously subscribe. They'll ask you to click that notification button or click the bell so that you don't miss out on any new uploads. And then because it's 2019, all the platforms have live stream function. So when someone is live, you'll get a notification say, blah, blah, blah is live. 接下来一个单词是 meme 其实有点像我们说的表情包或者我们的一个梗哈，就比如说与你无瓜就是一个 meme， 或者说老师要有老师的样子就是一个 meme. Obviously, in Western world, there are so many different kinds of memes. I think Reddit is like purely and exclusively dedicated to memes. And so is Twitter, I think. Similar to meme, we have troll. Troll could be used as a noun or a verb. So when you're a troll, you're just like 就像我们说的键盘侠啊。然后 when you're trolling someone, it means you're making fun of someone. You're just, you're not particularly like criticizing. 比如说前段时间在 B 站上面有很多人会 troll 吴亦凡。就觉得他怎么样，但是他们也没有恶意，就只是拿他做笑柄而已。就包括这个与你无瓜的这个梗也是一样啊，不是与你无瓜的梗，是这个摸仙宝的梗。OK， 吃瓜叫什么呢？吃瓜首先这个瓜叫 tea， 这个 tea 呢是由 spill the tea 来的。就比如说 spill the tea 就是说 OK， 告诉我有什么料啊，有什么爆料。所以我们现在对这个瓜都是叫 tea 的。最新的瓜可以说 What's the newest tea? What's the freshest tea? 还记得之前 Tati 跟 James Charles 出来的时候，大家真的是那个时候网络一度陷入了疯狂啊，真的是太难以想象了。所以这个叫 cancel culture， 就是当你发现一个博主怎么样，然后就开始取关啊，这个现象就叫 cancel culture。比如说blah blah blah is cancelled。就是说这个人被大波的取关了。Alright, I hope you guys liked that video. I hope it was fun and entertaining and kind of goofy, which is what I'm going for these days, apparently. Yeah, if you want to find out more information just like that, sign up for my course. I have to repeat it over and over again until you do. We'll talk a lot more in depth in there. And I'll see you guys there. Bye!